Good morning, South Africa. This is the daily news wrap for the SouthAfrican.com. It's Thursday, the 10th of June, 2021. My name is Lisa Grayson.
This podcast is kindly sponsored by Bluegrass Digital. Bluegrass Digital, a leader in building digital solutions for your business in Africa. Find out more at bluegrassdigital.com.
In our top story, Health Minister Zweli Mkhize, who has stepped aside from office on June 8, 2021, while the digital vibes tender scandal is still being probed, has been welcomed. However, politicians and trade unions have raised a myriad of questions, one being why deputy ministers cannot deputize while investigation continues. Well, the reason is that deputy ministers are not considered a part of the cabinet. Instead, they are officials of the national departments they represent. Mkhize was recently placed on special leave, and Tourism Minister Mamoloko Ngubane was confirmed as his replacement. In other news, a video starring a granny in pink nightgown, which went viral on social media on Wednesday, drew lots of criticism and amusement from people on Facebook. The video, which was shared on the Ethically Secure's Facebook page, shows a truck in the background which is loaded with beer. Members of the public can be seen in the accident looting the load as if they had won the lottery. The granny in pink can be seen making a brisk getaway with her loot of beer. It is still unclear exactly where in Mzansi this truck lost track, but one social media commenter remarked that it occurred in Marion Bridge in the Pinetine area of KwaZulu-Natal. What do you think about this? Let us know in the comments down below. In other news, armed groups plaguing parts of the northern Mozambique for the past 3.5 years abducted a dozen children during the raids in 2020, British charity Save the Children said in a report on Wednesday. The charity said the abduction of children has become a new and alarming regular tactic by armed groups involved in the conflict, that the numbers involved were likely higher than estimated. It said that at least 51 children, most of them being girls, have been captured in Cabo Delgado province, where Islamist attacks have displaced some 700,000 people since the violence started in 2017. In your sports today, Mabongi Flora Jr. Mkhize, also known as Mkhize, has made a demand of the Glad Africa Championship trophy right after winning the league. A video of Mkhize urging the Premier Soccer League, PSL, to hand over the Glad Africa Championship trophy to her side has gone viral. Mkhize is the owner of KwaZulu-Natal outfit Royal AM.
We didn't get this opportunity, guys. Do you think we're ever going to get this opportunity of getting our medals, of getting the cups, of getting like that on the stage? Oh my God. My heart is sore. Look at the cup, look at the cup, look at the cup.
This is what you need.
Look at the cup. Where is our cup?
You want.
When is our cup gonna come? This is unfair. My heart is sore. Actually, I'm crying right now.
Her son, Andile Mpisane, is the youngest football chairman in the country, but his talents aren't restricted to the boardroom. He also forms part of the Royal AM's playing personnel. Meanwhile, Mamelodi Sundowns legend Charles Moloi has launched a rather scathing attack on Orlando Pirates midfielder Thembinkosi Loch. The former Masandawana midfielder has issued a stern warning to the 2019-2020 PSL Player of the Season, Thembinkosi Loch, to stay away from his club. According to Moloi, the Orlando Pirates attacker is simply not good enough for Mamelodi Sundowns and should try his luck with Kaizer Chiefs instead. Nyoso, as the Buccaneers star is affectionately nicknamed as, has been linked with a move away from Orlando Pirates, and Mamelodi Sundowns are reportedly in the race to sign the attacker. Charles Moloi, however, has urged the Brazilian to avoid signing Thembinkosi Loch at all cost. More of this on the SouthAfrican.com. In your weather today, Bloemfontein is a sunny 18 degrees. Pretoria comes at 19 degrees. Johannesburg, you can expect 16 degrees today, and Cape Town, you can expect a chill 20. That's all the news you really need to know from the South African today. Subscribe for more of this audio bulletin straight to your mobile device. And for more of these and other stories, please visit theSouthAfrican.com.
This podcast is kindly sponsored by Bluegrass Digital. Bluegrass Digital, a leader in building digital solutions for your business in Africa. Find out more at bluegrassdigital.com.